Hello, hello. Hello, everyone. I just want to pop right in, do a quick Facebook Live. Uh, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Veronica Anderson with Wreath by Veronica, where we teach and inspire and encourage others. So today I want to just pop in real quick because I have a doctor's appointment, but I want to give you guys heads up that I'm having an wreath sale on all my wreaths. So, and you guys have been here and seen me make wreaths, and all of them are full. So if you're looking for a wreath for Easter, spring, Mother's Day wreath, whatever, get a heads up because I'm going to have a sale on Saturday. I'm going to do a Facebook Live wreath sale Saturday. So I want to let you guys know that I will be doing that. I'm looking at this. My phone is about to alarm to remind me of my appointment. So if it go off, don't. Sorry about that. I forgot to put on silence on my phone. But anywho, I want to thank you guys for supporting me. And those of you that are watching, please share this. Let people know that I'm going to have a wreath sale on Saturday, which is February the 9th. I'm going to send out an event post for that. That way you guys will know, and I will be giving you guys information as the week progresses. So I hope everybody's having a beautiful Monday. This is one of the wreaths that I did. Hello. One of the wreaths I did on a Facebook Live this past Saturday. And if those of you that watch me know, all my wreaths are full, and it's nothing wrong with the wreaths. I'm just overstocked. Inventory is overstocked, so I have to sell the wreaths, and they will be very reasonable. And of course it'll be a shipping charge with that. So I cannot eat the shipping charge. So I will charge you shipping charge, but the shipping charge will not be exceedingly high because I need to overstock. I need to move the inventory out so I can begin my subscription group. And in order for me to get that going, I have to clean out inventory. I was going over that over this weekend with my husband. So it's a lot of things I have to clean out. I have cleaned out some things, but I have to push out some wreaths as well so I can get the group started. And the only way I can get the group started and be at my best is by cleaning inventory. So all my wreaths will be on sale. The ones that I had for Christmas that did not sell, they will be. You can get those. You can have those for next year. Thanksgiving, you can have that for next year. I do have some spring and Easter wreaths that's up now. You can have those for next year. So I want to just pop in before my doctor's appointment and let you guys know that I'm having a huge wreath sale, and that I'm going to do it on a live Saturday. I'm going to do that on a live, and that way, like this wreath here, I have several wreaths here that will be on sale. I also have this one. So you guys need not look anymore. I have them here for you. Also have this one here. This one will be on sale. The bumblebee will be on sale. I do have some 4th of July wreaths that will be on sale. So I'm going to have them all out so you guys can see. So I also have this lemonade. This will look great on your front door. You will welcome spring and summer in with this beautiful lemonade wreath. So it will be all on sale, guys. And it'll be on sale, and I'm going to be doing a live on Saturday, February the 9th. It's going to be at 1 o'clock. That's when I'm going to start it. So as you guys can see, all my wreaths are full. They are full from the back, side, and whatever. There's good products. It's not it's good materials on it. So I want to share that with you guys. Hi, Alice. Hey, Marissa, Venus, how are you guys? Well, the prices for the wreaths going to start at $50. You cannot beat that. It'll start at $50. They will not be the price that they originally that's on my Etsy shop. So I want to get that taken care of because I need to clean inventory. It's nothing wrong with the wreath, guys. I reassure you of that because a lot of people think, oh, you're getting rid of them because it's nothing, 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 nothing. They are beautiful wreaths. You guys have been here on my lives. Those of you that have not, those that has, please let them know. I do quality work. It's you have the best. I wouldn't give you nothing but the best. I wouldn't give you nothing that I would not put on my door or give to my make for my own family. Okay, great. Yes. Because I'm in Houston, Texas. So it'll be 1 o'clock here for me. So it'll probably be 12 for you guys. So it'll be at 1 o'clock. I'm also going to send out an event, post an event on my page on Wreath by Veronica. So I'm going to be keeping you guys posted on what's going on and keep you guys updated. And I want you guys to come here because I want you guys to get one of these beautiful wreaths. And I'm going to ship it out to you guys and everything like that. So, and it will be a shipping cost, but it would not be exceedingly high shipping costs because see, really, I'm not making anything out of this. I'm not making anything out of these wreaths. I am giving them to you, not for free, but you will have a charge. But it wouldn't be a charge that it normally would be what these wreaths should be charged. Because if you go anywhere else, any of the local craft stores and pick up a wreath, you would not get a wreath like this. None of those wreaths that I have shown you guys. If you get it, you would have to add something to it. You don't have to add anything to my wreath. All you have to do is put it on your door. Or if you want to, you could put it in your home. Or you can give it as a gift. Easter is coming. Mother's Day is coming. All those beautiful things. You can have that done there. And summer is coming. So you can have that done. It's nothing beautiful wreaths. So I just want to share that with you guys before I go off to my doctor's appointment. I want to hope you guys have a wonderful Monday. I know Monday is pretty tough for a lot of people, but I'm going to tell you like I tell my coworkers at work. I say we have to have Monday so we can have Friday. They don't accept it well, but that's how I look at Mondays. In order for us to have Mondays, we have to have a Monday in order for us to have that Friday. So we just take it and strive and keep pushing because that's what it's all about. And I always remember, put God first and everything else will fall in line. So don't forget to join me on Saturday and purchase a wreath. If you don't want to purchase it for yourself, purchase it for a friend. Purchase it for a good friend, your mother, your sister, your aunt, your niece, someone. Purchase for them, dress up their front door. Bye-bye. Love you.